Welcome to Geometry Basics. Today we are going to learn about segment bisectors. This is a fundamental concept that helps us understand how lines and shapes interact. Specifically, we will explore exactly what it means to cut a segment in half. First, let us quickly review what a line segment is. A line segment is a specific part of a line. Unlike a full line that goes on forever, a segment has two distinct endpoints. Labeled here as A and B because it has a start and an end, we can measure its exact length. Now let us look at the word bisect. It is made of two parts. Bi means two, like in bicycle. Sect means to cut, like in section. So when we bisect something, we are literally cutting it into two equal parts. It is not just cutting it anywhere. The parts must be exactly the same size. Here is the formal definition. A segment bisector is any point, ray, line, segment, or plane that intersects a segment at its midpoint. The key takeaway is that it splits the original segment into two congruent or equal halves. What can be a bisector? Almost anything in geometry. It can be a line that goes on forever, a ray that starts at one point, or even another line segment. As long as they pass through the correct spot, they can all act as bisectors. Let us look at our first example. Here we have a horizontal segment, a B. The yellow line, L, crosses right through the middle. Because it hits the midpoint M, line L is the segment bisector. Notice that the line extends infinitely, but its job here is just to cut the segment in half. Here is a second example using a ray. The ray starts at point P and shoots downwards. It passes through point M on the segment CD. Since M is the midpoint, this blue ray is considered the segment bisector. It does not matter where the ray starts, only where it crosses. Finally, a segment can bisect another segment. Here, the green vertical segment PQ crosses the horizontal segment X, Y. Since they intersect at the midpoint M, segment PQ is the bisector of segment X, Y. It is a relationship where one cuts the other. Mathematically, this leads to a very important equation. If M is the midpoint, then the distance from A to M is equal to the distance from M to B. We write this as AM equals MB. If you know the length of one side, you automatically know the length of the other. In geometry diagrams, we do not always write numbers. Instead, we use small hash marks called tick marks on the lines. When you see a red tick mark on the left and a matching one on the right, it is a symbol that tells you these two parts are equal. This confirms that the segment has been bisected. You see bisectors every day without realizing it. When you cut a sandwich perfectly in half for a friend, the knife is the bisector. The yellow line on a highway bisects the road into two lanes. The spine of an open book bisects the book into left and right pages. Let us summarize what we learned. A bisector cuts a segment into two equal parts. It always passes through the midpoint. Bisectors can be lines, rays, or segments. And finally, remember to look for those tick marks to identify equal parts in any diagram. Thanks for learning with us.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.